To schedule a Wealthfront portfolio, start by understanding what Wealthfront is. A financial services company that offers automated investment management and financial planning. The first step is to create an account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app, providing personal and financial information to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once your account is set up, you will be presented with a recommended investment portfolio. Diversifying your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can then customize this portfolio to fit your individual needs, selecting from a range of investment options and adjusting the allocation of your investments. To schedule your portfolio, you will need to set up a funding plan, specifying how much you want to invest and how often. You can choose to invest a lump sum, or set up a recurring investment schedule, such as weekly or monthly transfers from your bank account. You can also set up automatic dividend reinvestment, allowing your investment earnings to be reinvested in your portfolio. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting, a feature that helps to minimize your tax liability by selling investments that have declined in value and using those losses to offset gains from other investments. You can choose to enable or disable this feature, depending on your individual tax situation. In addition to scheduling your portfolio, it is also important to monitor and adjust your investments over time. Wealthfront provides regular portfolio updates and recommendations, helping you to stay on track with your investment goals. You can also adjust your portfolio manually, rebalancing your investments as needed to ensure that your portfolio remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Best practices for scheduling a Wealthfront portfolio include starting with a long-term perspective, avoiding frequent changes to your portfolio, and taking advantage of tax-efficient investing strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a scheduled Wealthfront portfolio that helps you to achieve your financial goals and build long-term wealth.